ActiveCampaign's category-defining customer experience automation platform helps over 100,000 global businesses meaningfully engage with their customers. ActiveCampaign uses the power of customer experience automation to create a more personalized experience across the entire customer lifecycle. No matter your marketing, sales, or customer support goals, ActiveCampaign makes personal connections scalable at every touchpoint. Access hundreds of pre-built automations from within the platform or through our easy-to-search marketplace for powerful orchestration, segmentation, and personalization across social, email, messaging, chat, text, and more. Easily enter contacts and leads, as well as current customers, into automations to bring the power of machine learning to marketing automation and CRM. ActiveCampaign's 300-plus integrations, including Shopify, Square, Facebook, Eventbrite, WordPress, and Salesforce, connect your automations with the best-in-class tools you already love and enhance your automation strategy. Customer experience is critical for businesses that want to grow, so intuitive automation workflows mean you spend less time performing repetitive tasks and more time on your business, whether you're nurturing new prospects or cultivating repeat customers. Better understand how your contacts are engaging with your messages from within the contact record, and better understand your entire customer journey with reporting features within ActiveCampaign, like the Conversion Attribution Report. Don't only automate your email. Activate your entire customer experience with ActiveCampaign.